Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove password from Windows 11. So if you want to remove your login password from your Windows 11 computer, so that each time you lock your PC or you restart your PC or your PC is shut down and you turn on your PC again, your laptop will not request for a password before you can access the laptop. So let me quickly show you how you can easily remove the password from your laptop, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first one to do is go ahead and click on the start button. Now go ahead and click on settings. Once you select the settings, on the left side, locate and click on account. This is going to open your account and you want to make sure your account is set to local account. If you are using Microsoft as your login on your Windows, you need to remove Microsoft from your laptop and change to local account. Now, once you can confirm that your account is on local account administrator, scroll down and then click on sign in options. Once you click on that, then come to where you see password, click on it. Then you should say your password is set. Now go ahead and click on change password. Type in your current password, click on next. Then be prompted to type in the new password, confirm password and password int. Now leave everything empty and click on next. Then you should say next time you sign in, use your new password, and of course you do not set any password. Go ahead and click on finish. Then you should say changing password. Since you did not set a unique password to sign into your PC or laptop, then you will not be required to type in a password when next your PC is restarted. Then you should say use a password to sign into Windows, apps and services. And then you can now go ahead and close the settings. Then to complete this process, click on the start button on your PC, click on the power option and then restart your PC. Once your PC is restarted, this is not going to prompt you to type in the password to log into your PC again. So that's exactly how to remove password from PC or laptop on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.